Good evening. We're on our way to dinner, Worlds of Marvel. But I didn't want to wear my ears again, so I forgot to bring my other ears. So I'm wearing my Disney hat and my Mickey pin. So let's go see what's happening in Worlds of Marvel. So we're on our way into Worlds of Marvel. Dinner time.
Wow.
Two wonderful pictures at the beginning, at the entrance. And on our way in.
Oh, why do we walk all the way around?
Welcome everyone to the Avengers Technology Showcase. Our mission is to inspire the next generation of heroes with live demonstrations. Shrinking problems. Welcome everyone to the Avengers Technology Showcase. Our mission is to inspire the next generation of heroes with live demonstrations of exciting new technologies. Tonight's experience is brought to you by So be prepared to be surprised.
Yeah, we do.
1530. 1530.
Hi.
How you doing,
Okay, how are you? 119.
Right this way. Welcome. 119.
119.
Yes. He's trying to find our table. It's the first time we've been in here, so he's not sure where it is. Okay, here's my people. Okay, thank you. Good evening. Isn't this wonderful? This is nice.
Chatter out there asking why I didn't shrink down, go in, and kill Thanos in a really creative way. First of all, gross. Secondly, it's much more complicated than that. Allow me to explain.
If only we had the time. Anyway, tonight, through the power of quantum science, we will show you how together we can change the world.
Yeah. Now, look, don't worry, kids. Quantum science sounds overwhelming, but trust me, it is.
Whatever happened to that?
saved the ship.
They did? I just missed out on my ultimate Avengers dream team.
You can always help Miss Marvel when things aren't going to top dead.
Or, how about I supervise the